Incogniton versus Dolphin versus GoLogin versus ZiBird. If you're doing affiliate marketing, multi-accounting, or scrapping, you've probably heard these names. But which anti-detect browser actually keeps you anonymous, easy to use, and worth your money? Be sure to watch to the very end, as in this honest review, I'll break down how each tool works, compare real-world tasks, share pros and cons, and help you pick the right one for your projects. So let's start with Incogniton. Incogniton is one of the most beginner-friendly anti-detect browsers out there. It lets you manage multiple profiles, each with unique fingerprints like user agents, time zones, and cookies, so websites see each session as a different device. Incogniton has a clean, modern interface with bulk profile creation and easy team collaboration tools. It's especially popular for social media marketers and ad managers who run lots of accounts. If you're just starting with multi-accounting or need an affordable, user-friendly option, Incogniton is a solid choice. Dolphin is another big name in the anti-detect scene, especially popular among affiliate marketers. It's known for its robust fingerprint management and flexible automation. Dolphin has great integration with proxies, browsers, automation scripts, and teamwork features. Many use it alongside bots to scale campaigns without risking bans. It's designed for people who want granular control over each profile's fingerprint, so if you're more advanced, Dolphin might fit you perfectly. GoLogin is a well-known veteran in the anti-detect browser game. Like the others, it helps you create isolated browser profiles that mimic real devices and hide your real IP and identity. It works on multiple operating systems and has a slick cloud sync feature, so you can switch between devices easily. Many people love GoLogin for its balance of simplicity and deep fingerprint control. It's widely used for ad verification, scrapping, and managing multiple accounts safely. ZiBird is one of the newer anti-detect browsers that's quickly gaining fans. It positions itself as an easy-to-use, secure, and budget-friendly option for beginners and small teams. ZBird focuses on simplicity, stable fingerprint, spoofing, and good customer support. It might not have as many advanced options as Dolphin, but it gets the job done for day-to-day multi-accounting. If you're looking for a cheaper entry point or want a backup browser for your startup, ZBird could be worth a try. And now for the feature comparisons. Let's start with profiles per plan. All of them are great here, as Incogniton has generous tiers, Dolphin Anti is flexible for big teams, GoLogin has scalable cloud plans, and ZBird has budget-friendly plans. In terms of fingerprint control, Dolphin wins here as it has advanced and detailed control. Incogniton has solid and beginner-friendly control, GoLogin has strong fingerprinting, but ZBird has simpler spoofing. In terms of proxy integration, all of them excel in their own ways here. Incogniton has an easy setup, Dolphin is great for multiple proxies, GoLogin has a proxy manager built-in, and ZBird has proxy support included. In terms of automation support, Dolphin and GoLogin win here, as Dolphin has strong scripting and API, and GoLogin has supports extensions. In terms of collaboration tools, Incogniton has good team management. Dolphin has multi-user team roles. GoLogin has cloud sync and sharing, but ZBird has only basic team options. In terms of a learning curve, Incogniton wins here as it is very beginner friendly. GoLogin is balanced for all levels, ZBird is easy for starters, and Dolphin has a moderate learning curve and needs setup time. And now for the pros and cons. With Incogniton, it is easy to use. The interface is intuitive, so even if you are new to anti-detect browsers, you won't get lost. Setting up multiple profiles takes just minutes. It is affordable for small teams. Incogniton's pricing is fair, especially for freelancers or small agencies who don't need hundreds of profiles. It has good customer support. They're known for responsive support, which helps beginners fix setup problems fast. However, it has limited advanced automation. Unlike Dolphin, Incogniton doesn't have built-in complex scripting or bots. You'll need third-party tools for heavy automation. It has fewer fingerprint tweaks. While fingerprints are strong, there are fewer manual options for deep tweaking compared to Dolphin or GoLogin. It has cloud-only sync. If you lose your connection, some features might lag or fail to sync properly. And now for Dolphin NT. Dolphin is powerful for pros. Dolphin is ideal if you need to manage huge campaigns or automate workflows. It handles thousands of profiles with ease. It has detailed fingerprint options. You can tweak tiny details from Canvas and WebGL to time zones and fonts, which makes your profile look real. to anti-fraud systems. It has great automation and proxy tools, built-in scripts, and easy proxy setup. Lets you scale without needing lots of external software. However, it has a steeper learning curve. New users might feel overwhelmed by all the options and automation tools. It takes time to master. It has a higher pricing for big teams. While worth it for pros, Dolphin's advanced plans cost more than simpler tools like ZiBird. It has occasional bugs. Some users report small glitches during heavy multi-threaded automation, so regular updates are important. And now for GoLogin. GoLogin has well-rounded features. It hits the sweet spot between beginner-friendly and advanced fingerprint control, making it versatile for most use cases. It has good cross-device cloud sync. You can run your profiles on multiple computers or OS, Windows, Mac, or Linux, which is great for remote teams. It has reliable updates. The dev team is active, so the software stays stable and compatible with the latest sites. However, it has limited built-in automation. Like Incogniton, GoLogin doesn't have a deep native scripting engine, so you'll need external bots for complex tasks. It can be pricey for high scale. When you add lots of profiles, the cost can creep up fast compared to smaller tools. It has the occasional speed lag. Some users notice profiles loading slightly slower if you run lots of them at once. And finally, for ZiBird. ZiBird is easy for beginners. ZiBird's interface is clean and simple, perfect if you just need multi-accounting without tons of settings. It is budget friendly. One of the most affordable ways to run multiple stealth profiles, ideal for freelancers or low budget teams. It has decent support. They're newer, but have solid live chat, help to fix basic setup problems quickly. However, it has fewer advanced options. ZiBird can't match Dolphin's deep fingerprint tweaks, so advanced users may find it limiting. It has basic automation. There's no robust scripting or API, so you'll handle most tasks manually or with outside tools. It is newer in the market. Since ZiBird is newer, it doesn't have as many user reviews or big community yet, so you have to test it for yourself. And now for the real world scenarios. For scenario 1, social media ad accounts, Incogniton is ideal if you're a small ad agency running multiple client accounts without needing deep bots. Dolphin or GoLogin works well for bigger operations that want automation or handle hundreds of accounts. For scenario 2, affiliate marketing and traffic arbitrage, Dolphin wins here if you run big campaigns with scripts, auto posting, or scraping. ZiBird is fine for small projects where you just need stealth, not heavy automation. For scenario 3, e-commerce and sneaker bots, GoLogin is solid for e-commerce sellers managing multiple marketplace accounts. Dolphin's advanced automation can also help for large-scale tasks like inventory tracking or dropshipping. So which anti-detect browser should you pick? If you're new or need solid multi-accounting, Incogniton and ZiBird are affordable and easy to use. If you want full control, robust automation, and huge campaigns, Dolphin Anti is hard to beat. And if you want a balanced tool with great cross-platform flexibility, GoLogin is still a top choice. As always, the best choice depends on your budget, scale, and how deep you want to go with stealth. And that has been a comparison between Incogniton, Dolphin, GoLogin, and ZiBird. So which anti-detect browser are you using? Let us know in the comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest comparisons. And see you in the next video.